Generative AI is transforming the world, from creating art to writing code. But how does it really work? And how is it connected to LLMs and RAG? Let's break it down step by step. What is generative AI all about? Generative AI means machines can create new content, text, images, music, even video, instead of just analyzing data. It learns patterns from huge data sets and generates something original. We'll explain about the connection to LLMs. Large language models, LLMs, are the backbone of generative AI for text. They're trained on billions of words, learning grammar, meaning, and style. But their knowledge is frozen after training. Why RAG matters? This is where RAG, Retrieval Augmented Generation, comes in. It retrieves live data, augments the LLM, and generates answers that are both fluent and up-to-date. Together, LLM plus RAG make generative AI smarter and reliable. Going to explain the architecture of generative AI asterisk. The generative AI pipeline works in 3 steps of training. Learn from massive data sets. Generation. Produce new content using learned patterns. Augmentation. Connect to RAG for real-time knowledge. So LLM is the brain, RAG is the memory refresh, and together they power generative AI. Asterisk, let's see the real-world example about art and design. Generative AI can create stunning artwork. You give it a prompt like a futuristic city at sunset, and it generates a unique image. This is possible because it learned from millions of visuals. Let's see another real-world example used in business. Companies use generative AI for customer support, marketing copy, and product design. With RAG, it retrieves the latest policies or product data, then generates accurate responses. Concluding, generative AI is more than just creativity. It's intelligence powered by LLMs and refreshed by RAG. Together, they make AI smarter, reliable, and connected to the real world. Subscribe now for more AI insights reshaping everyday life.